Evox Electric Wheelchair 104A. Crafted for versatility, the Evox Electric Power Wheelchair allows you to navigate various environments with ease. Effortlessly operate our joystick-equipped wheelchair in automatic mode. With powerful electric motors, easily operate in any direction. You can easily reverse the wheelchair without needing assistance. Revolutionize your mobility with our wheelchair's full 360 degrees rotation capability. We can operate the wheelchair in manual mode also. Wheelchair is equipped with intelligent brakes that ensure an immediate stop when needed. Easily turn on and off the wheelchair with a button. There is also an option of horn in this. You can reduce the speed as per your requirement with the minus button and increase the speed with the plus button. The Evox wheelchair's controller includes dedicated buttons for reclining, left leg recline, right leg recline, and back recline. These intuitive controls allow you to adjust your seating position effortlessly for optimal comfort. With these options, you can easily operate and customize your wheelchair to meet your personal needs. Experience enhanced convenience with the Evox wheelchair, which effortlessly connects to a remote control. This allows you to operate the wheelchair from a distance, offering you greater flexibility and ease of use. With the remote, you can recline the wheelchair comfortably at your command, making adjustments with just a simple click. Whether you're at home or on the go, this feature ensures smooth and seamless transitions, enhancing your overall comfort and mobility experience. Enjoy the freedom to recline and adjust your seating position with the Evox wheelchair. Wheelchair features an adjustable joystick for personalized control. For added convenience, the footrest can be quickly detached when transferring in and out of the wheelchair or for storage purposes. This makes it easier to get in and out of the wheelchair without obstruction. Removable battery box for effortless recharging, providing a 12 to 15 kilometers range on a single charge. And the battery can also be installed easily. Enjoy the convenience of flip-up armrests on our electric wheelchair, offering personalized support and easy access. Enjoy a soft and comfortable cushion for your sitting. A seatbelt option for your safety. The wheelchair is equipped with reliable parking brakes that prevent unintended movement when the chair is stationary, ensuring safety in any environment. Enjoy a smooth, secure ride in any environment, whether indoors or outdoors. Evox, contributing to healthy life.